So let's test the face unlock on the brand new TCL phone. Wow, that quick. Hey, my name is James. We are taking a look at the brand new TCL 10 Pro. First impression, it's an amazing phone for the price. Very solid feel in the hand. Obviously, the camera being in line rather than on one side, it reduces the dreaded desk wobble when you're typing without a case. The screen looks amazing with the AMOLED display. It's reminiscent of a Samsung S10 Plus or S10, a cross between that and A51, I would say. It's an amazing display and amazing screen to body ratio for the price. Looks great. I mean, if it didn't have the branding on the back, I would say Apple or Samsung, right? So very thin and very solid build quality. Looks like a great product from TCL. It's $25 a month only for 24 months, so amazing deal. And you also get a 4K TV, can't beat that. That's an excellent TV with lots of functions and 4K display on top of a great phone that you're also getting. Yeah, someone who wants a flagship quality and speed, yet they would like to save some money and maybe they're in the market for a brand new TV. Amazing deal for them right now. 2 for 1, right? Can't go wrong. Yeah, if they want to reach me, they can call us at Open Connection in Coquitlam. Look for James. I'm here most of the week, so come by anytime. I'll be more than happy to help you out with this amazing TCL phone.